So welcome back to the Idea Garage. So I'm sure you've seen this in several of my videos. This is the drawers that I built when we first moved into the house. I didn't record it, unfortunately, but I'm not finished with it. So you get to see some of the new work that I'm going to be doing with it. So this bank of drawers here, I just used to house all my tools, materials, things like that. I find drawers a lot easier than cabinets in a lot of cases. So that's why I went with these. You'll notice that none of these drawers have drawer fronts on them. So what I'm going to be doing today is uh, building drawer fronts for these, and then I'm going to do a little mural across the front of them to kind of make it look nice. Because my last shop, I had a similar setup with drawers, but I just used plain plywood across the front, and it worked. And honestly, these work without the drawer fronts on them, but they don't look the way I want them to look. So I'm going to change that, and I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride.
The sun comes up, I lace my boots. Coffee strong, no time for roots. Hands like a leather, heart of steel. Every day I turn the wheel. The sweat runs down, the work don't end, but I ain't breaking, I'll just bend. Raise your glass to the grind, to the sweat and the dirt we leave behind. We're building dreams one nail at a time. So here's to the hustle, the climb, the shine. Calloused palms and a sunburned neck. Trade my time for a weekly check. Stacking bricks, so swinging. Hey, I earned my keep the honest way. It ain't much, but it's all mine. A little piece of the hard-earned climb. And when the moon takes the sun's old throne, I find my joy in what I've grown. Raise your glass to the grind, to the sweat and the dirt we leave behind. We're building dreams one nail at a time. So here's to the hustle, the climb, the shine. They say life's a mountain steep and tall, but I'll keep climbing, I'll take it all. Every scar and every tear, they're just proof that I've been here. Cold breath in the valley, sharp against my skin. Shadows stretch on the ridges where the day began. Granite scars on the earth, heavy silent weight. I was just a boy there, staring at the slate. What did it mean to stand so small under it all? Mountains rising like ghosts from the ground. I carried their whispers, I carried their sound. They painted me, painted me, painted me whole. Mountains and murals carved into my soul. The workshop smell of sawdust, paint, and time. The old man said nothing, but his hands knew the lines. Brushing my fingers, trembled with the years. Every stroke a memory, every stroke a tear. What did it take to see the truth through the weight of you? Mountains rising like ghosts from the ground. I carried their whispers, I carried their sound. They painted me, painted me, painted me whole. Mountains and murals carved into my soul. The pines whisper low, their needles bend. A hollow wind circles, no beginning, no end. Rust red dirt where the kazoo crawls, and shadows of factories, abandoned walls. Oh, hollow hills and bitter pills, they grind us down, they always will. Where the rivers run but dreams stand still. Hollow hills and bitter pills. Mama's hands, they're trembling thin, counting out coins for the medicine. A boy on the corner with eyes so lost, dear salvation, but at what cost? The preacher says we reap what we sow. But how can a garden bloom in this sorrow?
Hey, welcome back and thank you for watching. So you just saw me go ahead and put the fronts on these cabinets that I didn't finish in the first place, paint them, and I just finished putting the door, the drawer handles on. So now they're functional again. I can get back into them, and they look a lot better than just the plain plywood with the pocket screws on the outside. So if you go through and look, this is what we have. Definitely a lot better looking than before. Not perfect. I was limited on my paint selections, so I didn't get quite some of the colors that I wanted to, but I think I got what I was kind of shooting for. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you sticking through the end, and we will see you again on the next one.
Promises buried